Today is the day. We are going to put the tire back on the trailer. We're waiting for Lori to get the slide in so we can jack this puppy up. Take the spare off, make sure it's aired up properly, put it back underneath, and put that one on there. Check all the other tires, make sure they're all aired up to 110. And I think we're about done. I think it's about done. Leaks? No leaks. Seals? Been sealed. Tires? Been tired. Is it up?
Nope, not all the
up
way.
yet.
Not all the way. You can do it.
It's horrible when you don't know if it's up or not.
Oh no. Oh no. There you go.
I think we're ready. I think we are ready.
Did you loosen all of those?
Uh-oh.
Oh boy, you need a manual.
I forgot to loosen them first. Doggone it.
Yep, people are watching this and going, he didn't loosen the lug nuts first.
You get what you pay for.
Auto Shop 101. Uh-oh. That didn't sound good.
Thanks to Our Vision Nomadic Living. Sean, I love you for this.
Yeah, and Kevin straightened it out for us. Never the hubcap.
Oh, yeah.
We forgot one time. I had to take it off and put it back on.
Oh, no!
It doesn't fit?
Oh, oh my God!
Only I didn't say fudge.
Uh-oh, what do we do now?
I don't know.
Uh-oh, always something. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Need to figure something out.
Need a grinder. Grind out the center of that a little bit.
Yeah, I don't think you can do that.
You probably can.
Okay, get to grinding.
We don't have a grinder.
Who do you ask?
Well, nothing's ever easy, is it? We thought we were good, that we had the right wheel. However, the hole in the middle is about 1/2 inch too small on the new rim, and we have to be able to put the hubcap on to cover up the bearings. So now we don't know what we're gonna do. Well, we're here at a tire place. Yeah. We decided that we were going to switch the wheels and the tires. We were going to use our spare wheel with the good tire. Not that the spare tire isn't good, but it's not the exact same as the other 3 tires. And so we're putting the good tire on the spare rim and putting the spare tire on the new rim, because our Alpha hub cap does not fit in the hole of the wheel. So we came here to have it mounted and balanced, switch them out. So we're doing that. Bear and I are hanging out in the car, in the truck. Tom's watching them do it. Yeah, so nothing can ever be easy, can it? It's another learning experience. So when Tom ordered the wheel, it had the measurements, but nothing was said about the inside diameter of the wheel. Something we learned is we needed to know that, because the way our hubcap comes in from the back and comes out through the front of the hole. And that's to protect the bearings and where you grease the bearings. So anyway, we learned something. If we ever have to buy another wheel again, we'll know that we need to say that the inside diameter needs to be so big, because the wheel fits on the axle. However, the hole in the wheel is only big enough for the axle and not to also include the hubcap. So fun stuff. Learn something new every day. My dad used to say your day wasn't wasted if you learned something. Our day wasn't wasted today.
We are back from the tire store. We got the tires swapped. This is now the spare with the new wheel with the small center that doesn't fit the hubcap. However, the guy at the tire shop said, you know what, if it was me, there's 2 ways to go. Yeah, you could take it to a machine shop, have them widen that a little bit. Machine shop would be perfect. Or you could just take it home, mark it with a magic marker, a flare, put your cap on there, circle, and then get your Dremel out and just Dremel it out as careful and as slowly as you possibly can to make it big enough for the hubcap. And there's the spare rim with the new tire on it. I call them new, they're a year old because it's all 4 of them. So here we go.
Okay, well now the tires are swapped.
All right, I jacked it up. Let's just see how close I came. Oh!
God.
Oh!
Good job.
Fortunes have shifted.
Okay, knock on wood. We hope that that is the case.
Now the lug nuts are inside.
Oh, I'll go get them here. Now you're gonna have to clean that wheel with the wheel cleaner stuff that we got.
Well, we should have done that while it was off.
Why?
Oh my gosh.
No rocks. That's right, Bear. No rocks, silly girl. Okay, so now we went to AutoZone to go get what?
A lug nut. Because this one has always given us issues and problems putting it back on the stud. And I just didn't want to force it.
Yeah, that's all we need is a stripped
Stud.
bolt.
So we went and got another one, and lo and behold, they had the identical size.
We
9/16. 9/16 by 18. They're identical.
Yeah, we hope. Shh.
Kind of.
Knock on wood.
They're kind of identical.
So everybody, cross your fingers.
Look at that.
Ah.
Look at that. Now for the test. Is it gonna go on all the way, or is it done? Look at that.
Ta-da! Yay! And how much was it? A couple bucks?
$2.99, and it's only been all day. We've been fooling around with this
Oh my
tire.
gosh, it's like 2:30 now, and we started right after breakfast with this project. Nothing's ever easy for us, is it?
So how long does it take for you to change a tire?
When you aren't Tom and Lori. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Okay.
we need to go get my magic
What?
nut tightener.
Oh yeah. The torque wrench. He's got funny names for tools. There are several items that he calls a measuring device. That could mean the level. It could mean a tape measure. It could mean...
Well, this is
gauge?
a tire measuring device. See?
It's an air measuring device.
It's a tire measuring device.
Air. Shouldn't you have the wheel down on the ground now? Before you do that? Is that correct? I'm asking you a question. This is a quiz. So be on your auto shop final.
Auto shop final.
So what did you learn in class the other day about our little bottle jack? What did our brother-in-law teach you?
He taught me that this comes out.
Yeah, we've had this for a couple years now.
I never knew that came out. I'm like, boy, this thing doesn't go up very high.
He comes by and he sees that we've got like extra boards and stuff under there. He says, you shouldn't have to do that. You should just be able to do this. And we both looked at each other and went, oh, duh. See, that was a learning experience day. Okay, so now he's got
Let me try this. This ain't gonna work.
You have to tighten them first, right? With crossbars and then you do that? Or is that the wrong socket?
I need my extension. Is that the new one?
Mm-hmm. It's shiny.
Done.
Okay, there's that. Now we have the fun of trying to put the spare back up underneath the rig.
Piece of cake.
Okay, the spare tire is back up underneath. Now that we're raised up so high, the trailer, I can sit up under here. See, here's the bottom.
Well, what do you know?
Are we done?
Can we call that another happy ending?
Lessons learned, a learning experience, another adventure. Tom and Lori Adventures.
Hey, do us a favor. If you like this video and it put a little smile on your face or a giggle,
Hopefully you laughed at us.
give us a thumbs up. Let's see how many thumbs up we can get for this goofy video. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, get notified every time we put up a brand new video.
See ya!
Life is short, make it sweet.
GoPro, turn off. Why is it not turning
You have
off?
to stop recording first.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.